with a special surprise for you. And don't blink for just a second. Fans, can we turn around? We've got a special surprise. Do you remember that picture, Ashley? House fans, again, help me wish Ashley Fong Cutchins a happy, sweet 16th birthday.
Come here, start some attacking.
Where's the ball, buddy?
Come here, Carson. Come on. Here, I'll carry it. You leave it? Good job.